Working in a kilo lab, pilot plant, or research and development facility involves the use of specialized equipment such as glassware reactors, bioreactors, and chemical reactors. These are being utilized as primary containment for operator protection during batch reactions, distillation setups, and chemical synthesis. Such equipment are also used during formulation studies, weighing and dispensing processes, and large batch chemical sampling. However, these process setups are susceptible to hazards such as breakages and spills, which may inflict possible harm to everyone exposed. This is why Esco Pharma designed Esco Glassware Hood, your premium solution for glassware process containment. Whether it's just your regular glassware setup or even your oversized apparatus, the Esco Glassware Hood has got you covered. Key features include the following: antimicrobial isocide coated electrogalvanized steel or full stainless steel exterior, 304 or 316L stainless steel, or chemical resistant halar, ECTFE interior. The right choice of material of construction is important, especially when dealing with highly corrosive chemicals. Single pass airflow, where total inflow of air is exhausted out from the work zone. Integrated control system allows the operator to monitor equipment performance and control parameters. Ergonomically designed to easily access the work zone through various openings of doors and windows. It allows feature adjustment without full booth alteration, which is tailored fit to suit your process needs. Now you can carry out your process setup safely while guaranteeing optimal safety. Esco Glassware Hood helps reduce unwanted exposure against hazardous fumes, vapors, and gases. This ensures operator and environmental protection. One common misconception is that glassware hoods and floor-mounted fume hoods are one and the same. However, these products have varying features critical to how each operates. Contact the Esco local office near you today to know more about the Esco Glassware Hood.